contact approach 124.6.
SoCal Southwest 1563 with you, 10,000 now on the front 3.
South 1563, SoCal approach, altimeter 2987.
2987, up.
Alright, got 31 units there. Approach Southwest 3014, 11.
Interior 9407 X-ray, contact SoCal approach 127.3. GPS 2932, heavy contact tower.
UPS 2932 heavy, we're turning final 26 button. Approach Golden Eagle 87386, 2600 climbing 4500. 987 and I-10, 8786.
Kevin, Mike 50. UPS 2924, SoCal approach, expect ILS approach, altimeter 2987.
I'd like to put the RNAV Zulu for runway 6 on request, please, for UPS 2924.
You can expect that.
Thank you.
Southwest 14X. Departure Air Transport 3528 Heavy is 2,900, climbing 6,000.
Air Transport 3528 Heavy, SoCal departure, IDEN, altimeter 2987.
IDEN 2987, Air Transport 3528 Heavy.
Transfer 3528 Heavy, radar contact 3 south of San Bernardino Airport, climb and maintain 7,000.
3528 Heavy.
323 Echo Zulu, SoCal approach, altimeter 2987.
87.
UPS 2924, descend and maintain 10,000.
What?
Air Transport 3528 Heavy, turn left heading 11. 3 Echo Zulu, descend and maintain 4,300. November 87386, altimeter 2987. Number 2 Mike, 282 Mike Whiskey, SoCal.
2 Mike Whiskey with you, connect to the FR stack uniform bracket.
2 Mike Whiskey, request to descend and maintain BFL next week.
BFR on that, so that's 2 Mike Whiskey.
UPS 2924, winds at San Bernardino, if it's native, if it's not.
We'll take you together by
924, reduce to 210, then descend and maintain 900,000.
924.
Transfer 3520 Heavy, approach 1340.
340, Air Transport 3528. Have a good day.
Left heading 080 for last 420.
Okay, left turn 080, left 420.
Okay, we're ground Southwest 2142. We're about 10 minutes prior to pushback.
Southwest 2142, Ontario ground, Roger, stand by for our float time.
Thank you.
UPS 2066 Heavy Ontario clearance, we're just calling to let you know, traffic TMU said you're good to go whenever, you don't have to worry about eating time.
Departure UPS 931 Heavy Airport number.
UPS 931 Heavy, SoCal departure, ident, climb and maintain 7,000. 7,000. 1K back Alpha, contact approach 124.6, they know you're doing that.
246, we'll come back Alpha.
Flight 977, 10,000, India, Scooby 2. Air 977, SoCal approach, Roger, descend via the Scooby 2 arrival and report the airport inside. Descend via will report flight 977.
SoCal approach UPS 2902 Heavy, we're passing through 10-6 for 10,000, information Quebec.
Yes, visual approach to Christian Spec ILS, runway 26 left, inclination to Sierra is current.
Okay, sir, we will pick up Sierra and we'll expect a 26 left ILS, UPS 2902 Heavy.
At Ontario.
528 American 2940.
Southwest 1683, we're clearing at Papa November, going to gate 403.
Southwest 1683 Ontario ground, taxi to parking via November.
November uniform, Southwest 1683. 170 and 10,000, Southwest 1226.
2902 Heavy, you're 6 miles from final Christian, 6 miles from Taco. Maintain 4,000 until established, cleared ILS 26 left approach.
4,000 still established. We are clear for the ILS 26 left, UPS 2902 Heavy.
Magellan 711, you're following a Heavy, Boeing 767, 12 o'clock, just under 7 miles, descending out of 6,600.
John 711 looking.
SoCal Frontier 2735, 11.5 descending via.
Frontier 977, contact Ontario Tower.
Good day, Frontier 5977.
Tier 2725, SoCal approach, altimeter is 2987.
287, thanks.
John 711, traffic to follow inside.
John 711, Roger. Follow the Heavy Boeing 767, same runway, your clear visual approach, runway 26 left, approximately turbulence.
Visual 26 left, John 711.
American 2940, runway 26 right, taxi via Whiskey, hold short November.
Taxi via Whiskey, hold short November, American 2940.
American 2940, will be ready at the end.
We will, American 2940. Hold short 26 right, American 2940.
Roger, UPS 2902 Heavy.
Good afternoon, SoCal FedEx 1280, checking in, passing 17,000 for 12,000 at dawn. We have uniform. FedEx 1280, SoCal approach. Good evening, the Ontario altimeter is 2987, and you can expect the ILS to runway 6 at San Bernardino. Okay, ILS to 6 on 2987, FedEx 1280, thank you. Southwest 1226, contact Ontario Tower 120.6.
Switching tower today, Southwest license.
Okay.
6.
Pass 3506, thanks, sir. Contact Los Angeles Center 125.27, good day.
2527, Sky 3506.
Cherokee 16484, 5,000 feet.
Cherokee 16484, SoCal approach. Did you want the visual approach today or the GPS?
Can I get the VOR, Alpha 484?
Number 484, roger. Clear direct open.
Clear direct open, 484.
East side, southwest side.
Five Kilo Bravo, Australia.
Takeoff 26 right, stop at 21, visual 26 right, Scott 5672.
That's 5672, traffic 10 and 9 o'clock in about a mile, southwestbound, descending out at 12,000, Boeing 757.
Inside, Scott 5672.
That's for UPS.
UPS 2902 Heavy, Ontario ground, taxi to parking via Sierra 05.
Sierra Sierra Park, UPS 2902.
South Frontier 2735, checking in. Turn land, 26 left, Frontier 2735. That's okay, I'll leave pop. Swap tower, swap VFR, come on.
$29.40, contact departure on actually American 2940. Good rate through 6,000 for traffic orbiting over Raji at 5,500, type unknown.
5672.
0, good day.
Sorry, Scott 5672, anything inside, we just blow it up.
672, affirmative, and discuss it at 10 to 6,000.
Alright, we'll expedite 6,000. Class checking in, climbing through 11-4.
475 SoCal approach, Ontario, altimeter 2987.
2987.
475, trying to maintain down 6,000. That was 5672. Airport's at your 3 o'clock and about 20 miles. Report in sight.
Visual for 26 left would be great for 2 Delta Romeo and in sight.
Number 2 Delta Romeo, I'm sorry, did you say you have the airport?
Airport in sight, 2 Delta Romeo.
Number 2 Delta Romeo, roger. Clear for the approach, runway 26 left.
Clear for the visual 26 left, 2 Delta Romeo.
5672, contact Ontario Tower, 120.6.
120.6. He told us to expedite our climb.
Got so type 254 with the 240 descent via the arrival. What's the number?
Six right clear.
Cancellation of IFR on this frequency in the air or on the ground with Ontario on frequency 118.1. If you can't get them, I have a phone number for you to copy.
484, we have the airport in sight. We'll go ahead and cancel IFR now.
Number 484, cancellation of IFR is received. Remain on your beacon code until you're on the ground at cable. Change to advisories approved. Radar service terminated.
484, thanks for the help.
Oh, sir, flexible ship.
Good afternoon, FedEx 1030 Heavy checking in. Wind level 7,000.
090, wait Sierra, flying direct to Betty.
For SoCal, say again.
Out Costa 1409.
Air Costa 1409, SoCal approach. Roger, verify you still have the heavy Airbus in sight, 11 o'clock, 5 miles.
Check out the traffic inside Air Costa 1409.
Costa 1409, Roger. Maintain visual separation and follow the Boeing crushing heavy Airbus. Your clear visual approach, runway 26 left, approximately turbulence.
Caution with turbulence, again visual separation with the traffic, and clear to visual approach runway 26 left, Air Costa 1409.
FO-1 Southwest 2633.
Yeah, we'd like a visual approach, guys, 5703. SoCal Southwest 2561, climbing through 2,700, 14,000.
Southwest 2561, SoCal departure, expedite through 4,500 traffic, 1 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound. They're north of the departure, just barely at 3,500 caravan.
We'll try to expedite up to 4,500 Southwest 2561.
TACDOC 7683, traffic over 300, 1 mile final, 6 left, 2 left.
First line runway 26 left, Air Costa 1409.
0, maintain 4,300 until established. Cleared ILS, runway 26 left approach.
390 on the heading, 4,300 to establish, clear for the ILS 26 left approach, FedEx 1030 heavy. Project F55, 10,000.
Aircat 55, SoCal approach, Ontario altimeter's 2987, and do you have the Tanner route, Victor 186?
2987, affirmative, Aircat 55.
Approach, good evening, Air Costa 1009, taking in 6 clouds, ready.
Costa 1009, SoCal approach, altimeter's 2987.
Back Valley 7694, SoCal approach, Ontario altimeter is 2987, depart from Mona on the 070 degree radial. Vector visual approach, runway 26 right. Back 7694, when able, maintain VFR on top, conditions at or above 3,500, plan on moderate turbulence.
On top at about 3,500.
Right, clear for takeoff, SkyWest 3680. And copy the traffic on both sides.
Ontario altimeter is 2987, depart from Mona on the 070 degree radial. Vector's visual approach, runway 26 right. TACDOC 7682, when able, maintain VFR on top, conditions at or above 3,500.
Aircraft 1009er, contact Ontario Tower, 13026.
Good evening, Air Costa 1009, 45, runway 26 left.
Good for the approach, and hold short at 26 right with you, FedEx 1030 heavy.
Disney 5, 250 knots, and we have Charlie. and 15,000 for 156. For Tyler Departure, Skyward 3680, leaving 2,000, cloud 14,000, sunshine.
Skyward 3680, SoCal departure, radar contact.
You have plans for us in Orange County.
November, Saratoga 21372, turn right heading 150, vector over the top of the aircraft descending into Los Angeles.
UPS 106 clear to the JFK Airport via the Raji 3 departure. Avery transition, direct Echo Echo Delta, direct Hotel Victor Echo, and then as filed, climb via SID, set maintain 7,000, expect flight level 370, 10 departure. Departure frequency 125.5, squawk 1352.
2106 is Cascade, Large Street, Avery Transition, Victor Echo, and then as filed, via the SID, expect 1225.5, squawk 135.
Last calling approach taken.
Affirm, sir. RNAV Zulu to 26 left, please.
Dex 1359, Roger. Cross rumble, ladder above 10,000, clear to RNAV Zulu, runway 26 left approach.
Cross rumble, at or above 10,000, cleared, RNAV Zulu, 26 left approach, FedEx 1359.
Direct Disney, Delta 1705.
4,000, 587, 634.
Maintain 5,000.
Or at or above 6,500.
At or above 6,500 for 170.
Hey, 7682, contact Ontario Tower, good night.
7682.
7653.
Echo 7653, some expected vector to join the Pomona 070 radio.
Okay, sounds good.
SoCal, Intel 24, 10,500.
Intel 24, SoCal approach, Roger, the altimeter 2987.
2987.
4 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, we'll be leaving 6,000 for 5,000, heavy Boeing 767.
Hey, look for that traffic, Texas 7653.
Yes, 902 heavy, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, UPS 902 heavy.
R1.5.
28.1, United 2310.
688, maintain VFR on top at or above 3,500.
653, have a good one.
We're blocked out or we just missed you. How far before we get out of this weather from Romeo Whiskey?
Right, Dave. Land runway 26 right, taxi 666.
Main.
500. Just maintain 4,500, UPS 902 heavy.
Paya, 13,000, 16 Romeo Whiskey.
Correct, clear to land, Empire 7693, thanks.
Right with you, FedEx 1359.
Okay, I may have stepped on somebody. Pack Valley 7653, visual 26 right. Land runway 26 right, Pack Valley 7653.
Ground Southwest 1683, we're ready to taxi. We have information tango. Southwest 1683, runway 26 right, taxi Whiskey. Whiskey to 26 right, Southwest 16.
And maintain 4,000, UPS 902 heavy.
3 Alpha Mike to call you with me yet? 1,500 to now enter left traffic for runway 26 at Ontario.
On November, taxi FedEx. Empire 7693, Ontario ground, takes parking November Bravo.
November Bravo to parking, Empire 7693.
Maintain hour above 3,532 Romeo.
SoCal 41978 checking in at 1,400 feet, just departing Keno.
November 41978, SoCal approach, altimeter is 29827. IDEN, and say your intention.
Your takeoff 26 right, Southwest 1683.
Tower 26 left contact rally, 26 video.
Please take out inside down, we'll maintain for the separation, 10 switch on. Shade 1 second.
Confirm clear to take off 26 right, Southwest 1683. Thanks, clear for takeoff, Southwest 1683.
SoCal 7320 Tango with you, descending out of 11.1 and a slow descent, 20 Tango.
November 7320 Tango, SoCal approach, altimeter is 297.
87, 20 Tango.
November 32 Romeo, continue your descent for departing traffic off of Ontario.
Continue descent, we have running.
November 8 Alpha Mike, reaching at about 3,500.
3,500 feet up Mike.
Right Alpha Mike, contact Ontario Tower, 120.6. Go, Roger.
SoCal Bridge, Tampa 1935, 13,000 Tango, 26 left, heading 340 for weather.
SoCal out to 8 of Mike.
Door center, 35.
And SoCal on 125.5.
UPS heading out to New York City.
Going to maintain 5,000, caution turbulence.
Going to maintain 5,000, I'll start my helmet, top flight, next one.
26 left, clear for the options, separation with that traffic, 3 Mike.
One, Romeo Whiskey, thank you.
Approach 7320 Tango. If possible, we'd like to divert our waypoint over to Chino and then straight through direction ourselves.
Number 20 Tango, Roger. Contact approach 124.05. You can merge west out with them.
Sorry, 1,000. Flight 1901, good day. Good day.
To 5.5, that's it, Mike.
Tower, good afternoon, Flight 1901 is on final, so visual, runway 26 left. Flight 1901, thank you.
Our 38.
50 Delta Romeo, heading 310 still.
7652.
2964 Heavy, reduce speed to 170.
Reduce to 170, EPS 2964.
Speed 2637.
From Bravo.
November Bravo, good night. Pack LE 7656.
Good night.
Sending out of 2000 Heavy Boeing 747 for 26 left.
Okay, looking at that.
LE 7681, descend and maintain 4000.
4000, 7681. From Paradise to County.
November 1 Hotel Papa, Roger, on request.
LE 7681, traffic to follow, 1 o'clock and 4 miles, southwestbound, descending out of 3000, Bay Beach 1900.
SoCal Delta 5, 13-3, descending via Scuba 2 with Tango.
533, SoCal approach, Ontario, altimeter 2988.
Okay.
7681, descend maintain 3600. Result, moving to 3 o'clock now, 2007. Going 7681, maintain visual separation from the Beach 1900. They'll be for the left side. Your clear visual approach, runway 26 right.
Okay, visual separation, clear for the visual 26 right.
November 1 Hotel Papa, at Paradise, you can start the procedure turn outbound. Just maintain at or above 4,000 for now for traffic over Paradise at 3,500.
So at Paradise, we can do a procedure turn outbound, and we'll stay at above 4,000 when we come home. I was making it back out of 7681 inbound for the visual 26 right.
And SoCal South 2364, let's go about a heading 250. Just weave through some of this stuff on the way in, and maybe for about another 10 miles. left deviation, South 2364. Scooby, we just got a couple little build-ups here, 5 and 10 miles.
Delivery FedEx 1359, look at the CPLC, clearance to...
FedEx 1359 on third clearance. Cleared enough to airport to Roger 3 departure. Avery transition. Then it's about time to assist. Set maintain 7,000. Expect flight level 39010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 125.5. Squawk 7207.
Alpha 533, reduce speed to 210 knots per sequence.
Files, might be the Civic 17, 7,000, 39010, park frequency 125.5, squawk 7207.
FedEx 1359, read back there. Confirm that was 407. Got it.
Frontier 972, taxi with Tango.
Well done, Mom. Sites for Romeo, November, Whiskey.
Romeo, November, and Whiskey to 26 right, Frontier 972.
1000, send to the arrival, Southwest 2364.
Tech value 7681, Ontario, ground check, Sparks, November, Bravo.
Flight 1945.
Flight 1945, surgical approach runway 26 left.
Surgical approach 26 left, flight 1945.
African site, 1 Hotel Papa.
1 Hotel Papa, roger. Delta 533, you're clear for the ILS, runway 26 left approach.
33.
FedEx at maintain 14,000.
Climb B desist, maintain 14,000, Frontier flight 2188.
November 1 Hotel Papa, maintain at or above 3,500 now.
At above 3,500, 1 Hotel Papa.
Approach 31 Hotel Papa. For planning purposes, if possible, we'd like to go mist and come back for the localizer and Chino.
For 1 Hotel Papa, roger. On the go, maintain VFR, direct Paradise at or below 3,000.
Go, VFR, at or below 3,000, back to Paradise, 31 Hotel Papa.
Southwest 2364, reduce speed to 210 knots for sequence.
210 knots, Southwest 2364.
The 533, contact Ontario Tower 120.6.
Tower now 20.6, Delta 533, connect.
Good night.
Ontario
72.
For the visual, runway 265. And clear to land, South 364.
Giant 3708 Heavy is with you, 17.7 descending, 14,000, right deviation, high top, 1 able.
Giant 3708 Heavy, SoCal approach, approves request to descend and maintain 13,000.
Alright, 13,000 now, Giant 3708.
Did you say you want to deviate to the right or to the left? They're both approved.
Okay, yeah, we are to the right.
Heavy, descend and maintain 11,000.
SoCal JetBlue at 355, this would be the Jackie 2, we're out of 11.5, we have Tango.
JetBlue 355, SoCal approach, hello, on trail altimeter 2988. Did you want the RNAV Zulu for 26 right or the ILS 6 left?
Have 26 right, please.
Zulu or Yankee?
Zulu, please.
The 355, roger, cleared RNAV Zulu, runway 26 right approach. Giant right heading 230.
Right, 230, trying 37 right.
Thank you.
0 for Paradise, practice approach approved, no separation services provided, maintain VFR, report procedure, turn inbound.
26 left, cleared for takeoff, UPS 915 heavy.
JetBlue 365, reduce speed to 170 knots or less.
55.
SoCal Approach, 1 Hotel Papa, like assist with Chino. 1 Hotel Papa, affirmative, contact Chino Tower 118.5, we'll talk to you on the go. 18.5, 1 Hotel Papa. Giant 370 heavy, turn left heading 180. Giant 370 heavy, descend and maintain 3,400.
3,400, Giant 370.
Alaska 423, contact Los Angeles Center 125.27, we'll see it.
2527, good day, Alaska 423.
Aircraft Ontario to uniform current wind 2307 Ontario, altimeter 2980.
Go on departure, UPS 915 heavy. Departure UPS 915 heavy with you 2,300 for 14,000.
UPS 915 heavy, SoCal departure, radar contact.
Runway 26 right, taxi via Bravo.
86 heavy traffic, another heavy Boeing 767 at 2 o'clock, 6 miles southwestbound on left downwind for San Bernardino. Will be restricted at 1,000 feet above you all the way into Ontario there.
We'll be looking to merge at 886.
AVEX 3155 heavy traffic is 9 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, descends out of 5,000 in Ontario, Boeing 767 heavy jet.
SoCal Approach, Air Transport 3526 heavy, 14.
Air Transport 3526 heavy, flight present heading, descend and maintain 8,000, Ontario altimeter 2988, plan ILS 26, plan ILS runway 6.
Alright, present heading down to 8,000, expecting ILS runway 6 Air Transport 3526, we got information checked.
AVEX 3165 heavy, turn right heading 240, descend and maintain 5,500.
Right, 40 and 5,500. All right, 250 knots, descend to be the Skibby 2, and for the RNAV Zulu 26 right, American, clear for the RNAV Zulu for American 18.
Saratoga 1 Alpha Papa, 2 miles from Linden, turn left heading 260, practice approach approved, no separation services provided, maintain VFR.
260, 3 1 Alpha Papa, practice approved.
SoCal, KDR 813, Julia Bravo is with you through 5,500 for 7,000. Two 988, 813 Julia Bravo.
Working with you, Emerge at 867.
clock, 8 miles over Pettis, opposite direction, land San Bernardino out of 3100, Boeing 767 heavy jet.
American 18, we're looking.
Cherokee 41978, 3 miles from Linden, turn left heading 290, practice approach approved, no separation services provided, maintain DSR.
Left, 978 left 290, practice approach approved. 18 is at traffic site.
And 978, what do you want after this?
978 be full stop.
Full stop localizer, Kino.
978 full stop ILS.
Roger. Sarasota 1 off Papa, contact Kino Tower 18.5.
Kino Tower 1 Alpha Papa.
Air Transport 35, 26 heavy, turn right heading 50, and maintain 6,000.
Gonna maintain 6,000, Air Transport 35, 26 heavy. 1 for approach, count 3046 today. 170, Transport 35, 26 heavy.
Like 1359.
8 descending 14,000, deviating, high top 1 able.
Skywest 3309, SoCal approach, roger, descend and maintain 11,000, plan ILS 26 left.
11,000 will plan ILS 26 left, discuss route 309.
Heaven 318 Hotel Papa, how will this approach terminate?
Full stop 381 Hotel Papa.
55, 200.
And approach 3526. Do you want to push over town?
Transport Papa, contact Riverside Tower 121.0. Transport 3526 heavy, contact San Bernardino Tower 119.45.
1945, good night, sir.
Jet 17, SoCal, Ontario altimeter is 2988.
Like 1359.
Right, Leland, contact Ryan, American 18.
Stop, is that correct?
Full stop, 381 Alpha Papa.
1 Alpha Papa, that was broken, say again.
It will be a 7,000,
Just 935 heavy, turn left heading 130, when able, direct Hammett intersection and join Victor 64.
Left 130, direct Hammett, join, GPS 935 heavy.
Number 21 Victor Juliet, plan on the VOR approach into El Monte.
Approach 21 Victor Juliet.
1 Victor Juliet, I'll have direct Pomona here for you in a little bit. Advise when you have El Monte's ATIS, let's see, Victor, and changing my frequency 125.5.
Alright, 21 Victor Juliet, 125.5, I'll let you know when I get Victor, 21 Victor Juliet.
GPS 935 heavy, reaching 7,000, resume normal speed. Contact departure 134.0, good day.
7,000, normal speed, GPS 935,